Good morning and welcome back to another bearded hobby homestead episode. It sometimes takes a while for me to get that out. Anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and we appreciate each and every view. But I want to say thank you and do a few shout outs to a bunch of people. We had 14 subscribers in the last 28 days according to my YouTube analytics. And as I went through it, I saw that there are a couple of names that I didn't even see subscribe, and there are some names that I saw that aren't popping up. So if there are more, if there are any others, if I'm missing out on someone, I apologize sincerely. So like I said, we had 14 subscribers in a couple of days, and it was just nuts. I mean, it's ridiculous. So thank you for subscribing. We appreciate every single subscriber and view and helping us close to our goal of monetization. So first of all, I'll say thank you for AB's kitchen recipes and vlogs. All of these will be in the description below for you to go and check them out as well, because they are such awesome people. Like I said, AB's kitchen recipes and vlogs, Minimalism by Anne, Old Reading Farm, Shawn Rouhi, I apologize if I'm butchering your name, White North Forge and Prairie Life, A Girl and the Cows, Burning Up the Roads, Real Life with Michelle and Rob, and there are many others. I mean, these are just the ones I could quickly find easily on the system thing. Doesn't really work. Anyway, thank you so much. We appreciate each and every view. It's awesome. Thank you. So the video for today, my plan is to review this bad boy. This is a Ryobi gas chainsaw. It is pretty awesome. It's two-stroke, so therefore you mix two-stroke oil with it, and this is where the gas goes. And this one over here is a self-lubing system for the chain. Now this chain, the bar length is 21 inches. That's the full bar length going back to here. But the blade, this section is around 18 inches. So this is a big old boy. I've been cutting for close to 6 hours with this thing, and it's amazing. It goes through wood like you wouldn't believe, and it's nice and light. It's only a 15-pound or 6.8 kilogram machine. The brake stop is awesome. It sometimes goes a little bit hot. Now this thing, like I said, works amazingly, even though it has this whole system of how to start this thing at the back. So yeah, you get your on off switch easily, your pull start, your little pump to prime, your choke, your air filter is back here. It's just an awesome machine. And just to prove, today the day started off at around -5 degrees Celsius. That's probably roughly between 25 to 30 Fahrenheit, I'm guessing. I'll probably have to look that up, or not, you can do that too. So it's been cold. This one's been here in the workshop. The workshop is cold. It's now around 9:30, so it's probably up to about not very hot. So I want to just demonstrate the start effectiveness of this thing. It still has fuel. I almost forgot to check that. So first of all, on, pull, and then just for 3, 4, 5, a couple of pumps here, close that, and then you just go starting it. Clearly it's colder. Colder than anticipated, but still, it's easy to start, no worries, no issues. And this thing in South Africa works out at about 2,500 Rand. Now if you go and check out Off Kilter's homestead, they did the same type of gas chainsaw. Yeah, Hoss said they saw that the rating for theirs is around 50 hours. I couldn't find a rating on our papers, so I'm not sure. Maybe this one isn't rated, and also it's not a commercial chainsaw. This is basically your home use petrol chainsaw, and well, it's good for what it is. It's good. This is the first one I've actually owned or tried. There might be others that are much better, but for what it is, a little 45cc petrol chainsaw, it's good. The blade works brilliantly. I've sharpened the blade a couple of times, well, once, with a little file going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 each tooth, and then that takes about 5 minutes to sharpen. I mean, there's nothing bad I can say about this. The fuel capacity is about 580 milliliters, somewhere around there, and that's good. I mean, it works for up to an hour on one tank, so fuel consumption is awesome. There's nothing that I can find. It's smoking more, it's smoking less, it's not doing anything weird. This is by far one of my favorite tools, and with how fast it works. I mean, this thing goes through logs really quickly. I've got one here. I cut through that one. You can see that's close to the bar length, and there was no issues. So on a review scale, I would say I'd give this one a 10 out of 10. Probably a 9 out of 10 because there's better. But for what it is, for the price, 10 out of 10, cutting time in half for getting firewood, not cutting, funny, for firewood and everything. I mean, it's good. So if you've got comments about the Ryobi Petrol chainsaw 45cc motor, please drop them down below. I'll be curious to find out what your opinions are, and off kilter you as well. I saw that your blade is a bit shorter. I don't know if that's a much different machine. I don't know. It looks quite the same, just a different color. So, I don't know. Feel free to discuss this in the comments down below. I'll be quite interested to find out if you've had this, if you've tried this, and does this differ much from South Africa to where you are. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Once again, that entire list of subscribers and others, all the views, all the watch time growing. I mean, thank you. We appreciate it. And until next time, we will see you right back here on the Bearded Hobby Homestead. So go ahead, be safe. God bless. Thank you, and cheers.